Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and setting Airdrop visibility. This lets devices advertise and form a quick peer link. Once done, have the sender initiate transfer and watch your screen for the accept prompt. Accepting routes the file to the right place. Make sure to note the file type, because photos go to photos, while PDFs, zips, and documents go to files or downloads. Understanding where Airdrop deposits each type saves time when you go looking. On iPhone or iPad, you'll find images in Photos, check recents or imports, because the system auto-imports camera media. For documents, launch files and inspect recents on my iPhone and iCloud Drive. Airdrop tends to prefer the location the sender selected or downloads equivalent. Once there, use the search box and sort by date to surface the newest arrival quickly. Also preview before opening to verify type and origin. That helps you decide whether to move it, share, or delete. On a Mac, open Finder and check Airdrop first. If a direct save occurred, look in Downloads or Recents and sort by date added to locate the newest item. Once found, move files into your organized folders or upload to iCloud and include them in your backup routine so nothing is lost. If something goes wrong, try toggling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, ensure Airdrop visibility is correct, restart the devices, and verify storage and do not disturb. These steps fix most transfer failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.